Hey guys, what's up and how's it going? So Jason here with For the Love of Tractors, and I am with the brand spanking new Ford F-150 and dump trailer from Greenlight Toys. So I don't do a lot of this truck stuff, but this was a pretty neat setup, and you guys liked the service trucks that I did. Actually, those videos got a ton of views, so maybe I need to do a few more pickup truck and trailer type things. So we'll see. Um, we'll try this one and see how it goes. So let's talk trucks, y'all. Okay, so back at the action here. And of course, this is a Ford F-150, and let's take a look at the truck first. So, kind of new style Ford, if you will, and it's a pretty nice little truck there. We got silver mirrors, which, I don't know, I guess maybe Ford makes them that way. I don't know that I've ever seen them like that. Usually they're sort of black or body colored, but hey, whatever. We got some, decent looking wheels on here. Doors don't open, hood doesn't open, nothing like that. So, I wouldn't say a super high detailed truck, but this whole set cost you in the neighborhood of 15 bucks, so I don't expect it to be super high detailed. And then of course, the world is your canvas when you customize, so this thing is ripe for you custom truck guys to just come in and knock it out of the park. Maybe lift it a little bit, throw on a bumper guard of some sort. I may do like a fuel tank or something in the back. Because it is going to be a farm truck, so it might as well be a farm truck, right? I like the color. The paint is really, really nice on this. It's almost like a metallic or a pearl type paint, if you will. And then it's two-toned with a gray stripe down here. And that is just a really nice look to it. I don't know if it's a farm color necessarily, but, whatever. It's a cool-looking truck. So I don't know if this is going to show up too well on the camera here, but we'll try. You do get an interior here, steering wheel, seats, and all that. It's just kind of this plain gray color, which, I guess sort of a gray leather or vinyl, if you will. But if you wanted to pull that apart and do some detailing on that, I feel like you could really make the interior pop a little bit more. So, yeah, whatever. So on the back here, we get a kind of nice bumper, and we get a cool little ball hitch here. I'll see if I can kind of turn that and get you guys to see that. And we get that ball hitch, of course, because we get this trailer that just sort of hooks onto there like that. And it actually, what's kind of cool is it actually kind of stays on there. So it almost actually works as a ball hitch. So anyway, I thought that was kind of neat. All right, onto the trailer, which is really cool. So you get these extensions, which I'm just promptly going to put off to the side. I'll never use those in a million years. And in fact, I don't know that this is modeled after a specific trailer, but I feel like the trailer itself is a little bit too tall. We have a master dump trailer at the farm that we use like this, and it's only about as tall as this sideboard here. So so I've kind of debated on maybe cutting it down. I don't know. We'll see. Because then, I don't know. We'll see. Other things you get this hitch. The hitch does screw up and down, which is kind of cool. There's not a ton of detail on the hitch, but it's neat that they do that. Of course, you got the ball thing that I showed you earlier, and we get a nice spare tire on the side. And look at that. It dumps. How cool is that? So it doesn't stay up particularly well unless you put it in like the full up position. Not a big deal. No marks against it for that. I mean, like I said, the whole set's 15 bucks, so we're not gonna complain, right? Anyway, so lower that back down. We got fenders here. You can see the sort of lift mechanism there, and then I thought this was really cool. It has ramps, and both of them pull out, so I'm not going to pull both of them out. And then they sort of just snap on to that right there. Oops, sorry, too high. Like that. Well, that didn't snap very well, did it? Let's try it like this. There, okay, how about that? We'll just sit them. Anyway, So yeah, so that's a really neat little extra that they probably didn't need to do, and your doors open up so that you can actually dump if you need to. So all in all, I guess is this worth 15 bucks? Heck yes, it's worth 15 bucks. Heck, this trailer itself is probably worth 15 bucks, right? I mean, it's a nice little trailer. You couldn't build one for that. And then you stick it on the truck there, and you've got yourself a cool little hauling rig. You could haul some dirt, sand, gravel, throw some ATVs up in there, or a subcompact tractor or something like that, and hey, you've got a really nice setup. So, alright guys, I guess that'll do it for this one. Let me know what you think about this Ford F-150 with the dump trailer. Greenlight's doing some cool stuff, I guess. As I said, as a guy, I'm a farm guy, farm toy guy, and so I don't pay attention to the truck market too well. So some of these Greenlight trucks have really kind of come out of nowhere, and I'm glad they're sweet. So, all right, guys, that'll do it. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like, share, and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here. Kind of just encourages me to keep doing. And I will see you on the next video.